Hello po. Kilala niyo po si Kambalot Ilis? Ito po yung giving away this candy blossom. And this big candy blossom. It worth at 3 trillion and 4 trillion. Look at this. Look at this one. How much is this worth? 3 trillion. This is at 4 trillion. That is for all. Thank you po. Bye-bye.